Are you aware that London ranks among the leading global cities when it comes to urban real estate? Have you had the opportunity to observe the residences and structures in London? You've come to the right place, as we're about to present a diverse range of homes that embody a combination of illustrious history, breathtaking architectural design, and imaginative craftsmanship, resulting in spaces filled with sophistication, allure, and opulence. Let's begin our journey. Lansing Building, Chelsea, London. Situated in one of London's highly coveted residential complexes near Chelsea Bridge in the River Thames, this remarkable penthouse is priced at $17,338,935. Spanning the 11th and 12th floors, it presents unparalleled west-facing views of Battersea Park. Every aspect of this meticulously crafted property has been carefully designed to perfection. This expansive apartment, ideal for a large family, boasts 7 bedrooms, each with its own en-suite bathroom. It also features 2 cloakrooms, 3 spacious living rooms, and 2 fully equipped kitchens, with an interior space of 5,898 square feet and an additional 1,000 square feet of outdoor patio area. There is ample room for both relaxation and entertainment. For convenience, 2 secure underground parking spaces are included. Located just a stone's throw away is Chelsea Bridge Wharf. Renowned as London's most luxurious riverside development, the property enjoys close proximity to the River Thames, Battersea Park, and is a mere 75 miles from Sloane Square. Residents benefit from around-the-clock security and concierge services, ensuring peace of mind and exceptional support. Northumberland Avenue, London. A rare opportunity presents itself with the availability of the next penthouse at Northumberland Avenue, offered at a price of $18 million. This remarkable penthouse boasts one of the finest views in London. Spread across 2 floors, it offers a splendid lateral living experience. As you step in through the direct elevator access, you are welcomed by a cozy lobby that leads to a spacious hallway, revealing a breathtaking panoramic view of London's iconic skyline. From the reception area, which spans nearly 40 feet, you can access a wide private terrace on the lower level, providing stunning vistas of the City, South Bank, London Eye, the Houses of Parliament, and Big Ben. Adjacent to the reception area, there is a custom kitchen featuring an island, and a door connects it to a generous pantry or larder that stretches along the back wall. The kitchen can be enclosed for intimate gatherings or left open to seamlessly blend with the rest of the apartment. On this level, you'll find 3-bedroom suites, a guest bathroom, and a TV/media area that also serves as a fantastic home office. Moving up to the 8th level via stairs, you'll discover the luxurious master suite, which opens up to a second spacious terrace. The bathroom is exquisitely modern, and the dressing area offers ample storage space. 116 Knightsbridge, London, SO1X. Presenting next is an extraordinary penthouse situated at 116 Knightsbridge in London, which holds great historical significance. This property has left a lasting impression on us with its remarkable features. With an approximate price tag of $38 million, it embodies sheer opulence. The first notable aspect is its expansive area. This penthouse stands as one of the largest Victorian mansions of its kind, spanning 8,500 square feet and offering breathtaking views of Hyde Park. Its allure is irresistible, boasting 6 bedrooms, 2 reception rooms, and 6 exquisitely furnished bathrooms adorned with luxurious wood and elegant, dark furnishings, complemented by an abundance of natural light. However, this property's appeal extends beyond its interior. Its outdoor space is a significant advantage as well, ensuring it captivates not only on the inside but also beyond its walls. The colossal roof terrace is a sight to behold, featuring tasteful Parisian-inspired furniture and embellishments that provide utmost comfort and privacy. This unexpected gem within the heart of London truly adds to its allure. Montpelier Street, London, SW17. The following property is located on Montpelier Street in London. It is a delightful and unique second-floor lateral flat with plenty of character, available for the price of $24 million. The main lobby space is adorned with stunning custom stone fireplaces placed at opposite ends, creating a striking contrast with the naturally oiled oak floors. In addition to these features, the flat includes a buffet kitchen/breakfast room, a patio, a drawing room, a dining room, and a bar area. all of which are perfectly designed for hosting gatherings and social events. The Tower, London, has to wait. Coming up next is the Tower London. This lovely residence, situated on the Tower's exclusive 45th level, offers much more than a good location. This penthouse costs $23 million. The penthouse features 4 sizable bedrooms, 5 reception areas, 5 bathrooms, and expansive city views. Spa facilities, an infinity pool, a gym, private dining, and a seasoned 24-hour concierge service are additional benefits of living in the Tower. Additionally, a business lounge, meeting spaces, and conference facilities are available, so there is no need to leave for business. Did you ever dream of owning one of these luxurious penthouses? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.